outbreak and are determined to do the same this time around. I thank you once again for taking time to visit us, Director General, and wish you a good stay in Tanzania and a safe trip to Geneva or Davos. Thank you very much. Please, it's your turn.
Your Excellency, President Samia, Suluhu, Hassan, honorable ministers, honorable members of parliament, members of the media, dear colleagues and friends. Habari za mchana. And thank you all for coming today. First, I would like to thank Her Excellency for her hospitality in inviting me to Tanzania, and for her leadership and commitment in promoting and protecting health for her citizens. We have just held a constructive meeting covering a wide range of areas concerning her government's work to strengthen its health system and provide the services needed to advance health for all Tanzanians. And this is a follow-up of our meeting during the G20 meeting in Brazil in November. I commend the President for the investments made in emergency preparedness in recent years. I also recognized Tanzania's successful launch of Universal Health and Preparedness Review Report, which showcases the country's dedication to health system resilience. In addition, I congratulated the President on her commitment to universal health coverage through the enactment of the Universal Health Insurance Act 2023. We also discussed the government's drive to strengthen its health workforce through the launch of Community Health Workers Program in 2023, an initiative that's helping introduce more graduate health workers into the health sector. WHO is proud to have supported Tanzania's creation of new capacities for delivering health services, including in training of health workers. All this and more demonstrates your government's commitment to supporting the health of all Tanzanians, especially women and children, which is evidenced through the reduction in maternal and child mortality. And I again commend you. Her Excellency also updated me on the confirmation today of an outbreak of Marburg virus disease in the northwestern Kagera region, and I pledge WHO's continued support to bringing the outbreak under control. Since the first suspected case of Marburg were reported earlier, Tanzania has scaled up its response by enhancing case detection, setting up treatment centers, and a mobile laboratory for testing samples and deploying national response teams. As you know, Tanzania has gained strong experience in controlling Marburg, as this is the second reported outbreak of the disease in Kagera. The first outbreak, as Her Excellency said, was almost 2 years ago in March 2023, in which a total of 9 cases and 6 deaths were reported. The government's investments in response to the last outbreak has built capacities that I hope will enable Tanzania to bring this latest outbreak under control as soon as possible. To support Tanzania's response, I'm releasing $3 million from the WHO Contingency Fund for Emergencies, and this is in addition to the $50,000 that we contributed earlier to support the initial investigation. At this point, I would like to thank our partners, including the European Union, US government agencies, the United Kingdom, and numerous other national and international health partners for their strong collaboration to work to bring this current outbreak under control under the leadership of the government. Unfortunately, there are not yet any approved treatments or vaccines for Marburg, as you know, although several are in development. But outbreaks can be stopped quickly with proven public health measures to prevent infections and save lives, as Tanzania had done in 2023. And considering the low global risk and the strong capabilities of the Tanzanian government, WHO advises against restrictions on trade and travel to the country. And as Her Excellency said, Tanzania is open for business. Now is a time for collaboration and commitment to protecting the health of all people in Tanzania and the region from the risks posed by this disease. WHO, working with its partners under the leadership of the government, is committed to continue to support the government to bring the outbreak under control as soon as possible and to build a healthier, safer, fairer future for all the people of Tanzania. And finally, again, thank you so much, Your Excellency, for your deep commitment to health from the day you started your office. And I assure you that you have our full support. Thank you so much. Asante sana.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency, Madam President and Dr. Tedros. And this marks the end of our session. Asante sana.